With the weather getting hotter, we're looking for ways to stay cool and hydrated. With that said, we came up with a fun spin on iced tea that I think you're going to love. The first thing we want to do is bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it does, we toss in some tea bags and let that steep for a bit. After the tea is just the right strength, out come the tea bags and we add some sugar, fresh lemon juice, and give it a stir until the sugar dissolves. After this cools for a bit, we'll pour it into a 9x13 dish and pop it in the freezer to set up. By now you might be saying to yourself, where is he going with this? Okay, let me show you. At this point, we take a fork and begin shaving our frozen lemony iced tea, like this. Think of this as the freshest tasting snow cone ever. And when you serve this in glasses as a fun summery change of pace dessert, or as a way to beat the steaming hot days of summer, I know you'll be saying, now this makes sense. To get the recipe for what we call Lemony Frozen Iced Tea, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a refreshingly icy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
Delicious.